showing off the SVGU 3.0.
That's probably the biggest benefit as an owner for these things. So our recruiting process is we lined a whole bunch of phone interviews up that excludes folks, and then you turn around and we set up interviews, and I can stack people. So I'm able to put people on the couch learning what we do. It's one thing to explain, hey, we climb up on roofs and make money. It's a whole nother thing to strap them in here. It takes 40 minutes and they get the first, I think, 4 or 5 videos down, and that gives them a gist of what their job is gonna be. And when they come out of this thing, you can see it on their face. It's like, whoa, that's not for me, or it's like, man, this is awesome. That immediately eliminates a lot of wasted time after that. I mean, how many weeks do you spend figuring out that this isn't for that guy? And you get to weed that out here. And not only that, while he's watching and learning, I'm interviewing another guy.